guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. What we have here today is a 2013 Volkswagen Passat TDI. What we initially had, customer complaint, was like a clacking, clicking noise coming from around the bell housing area. What these things are becoming more common in having are the ring gear type that they have on here is a dual mass ring gear flywheel assembly to help dampen inertia, noises and all that. So we're going to be replacing that with a new one here. That should take care of his clicking, clacking noise. We also noticed he's got some oil leaks around the rear of the engine. These things are also common for getting rear main oil seal leaks. Now these rear mains on, I believe it's 05 and newer, are not just a simple rear main seal. It is an assembly that looks like this. This is your crank trigger that bolts onto the housing. Original housings are plastic. This is an updated aluminum one. Now, how it goes to install this thing, you need special tools. One, you gotta pull the lower half of the front timing cover off to lock in the crankshaft at top dead center. This is very important about going about this procedure. And you also need a special installation tool like this, because this little mark here is what indexes, this is the crank trigger wheel, what indexes this into the tool, basically bolt it up into that and then bolt it to the crank, and then you got to slowly press it on to a certain torque, and as well then check the depth of the trigger onto the ring gear. They do look like they are the same as one. They are two different pieces between the seal and the crank trigger, but it's very important to use the proper tool to get this installed right. If it is off even a little bit, you can have no start issues after you've just put this all back together. As you can see, it's not a simple job to do. Transmission comes out, subframe gives you a little more room. It's not just a little 2-hour job. Proper tools to get this thing pressed in right, do it right the first time. Urban Automotive, safety first.